Look at all these beautiful bikes. Beautiful. Wonderful, wonderful. Follow this guy right here. His name is Life on Wheels. WH33LS for his YouTube name. Go follow him. He's got good content. We're all out here in Hawaii having a great time. We're heading out to Kaena Point, which is north of Waianae on the west side of Oahu. It's beautiful out there, so we're gonna take some pictures and hang out for a second once we get up there, and then head home. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be beautiful. Also, guys, on this ride we have another motovlogger. Sorry if you are a motovlogger and you're on this ride, I am sorry. I might not get everybody because I don't know who motovlogs and who doesn't. So hopefully I name everybody. But I know we got another one here. He's on a S1000RR, and his name is, I will link everybody in the description, including Life on Wheels, and also the guy's name is Moto LifeStylez. I'm going to link him in the description too. And also Stanks Beeman, which is not here, but he's also on a S1000, but it is a more upright position. It's not the RR version of the BMW. Oh, this road is terrible. I'm about to die. Oh my gosh. We got a pretty good turnout today for this is our monthly motovlog cruise. One of many cruises that goes on around the island. We have motovlog cruises, we have bikes and coffee cruises, we have cornering cruises, we have just cruises. If anybody just wants to post on Facebook and go ride in an hour or so, it's really fun. I love riding out here, especially with all these awesome people. We got a little piggy on the ride today. Yes, a literal pig is riding on a motorcycle with a motorcyclist, just chilling. It's got some goggles on. She brings it on every ride that I've seen her. She has the pig. It's amazing to see. It's super calm, super cute little pig. So if you see it, let me know. If you see it, link the time stamp down below in the comments of the video. They're gonna fist bump. Hey! Alright guys, so while we're on this absolutely gorgeous ride, as you can see, these sights on Oahu, and actually every single island in the Hawaiian chain here, every single island has absolutely breathtaking views that you will not see anywhere else on the earth. So while you are enjoying the wonderful views of this island, I have a topic, and the topic is, I have decided, me and my wife have decided that I'm gonna put this bike up for sale. I'm gonna put this bike up for sale, not because I don't like it, not because I don't ride it, not because of any in particular reason. It is time to get a newer motorcycle. There are cosmetic things on this bike that I don't like, that I can't help, actually. It's not due to the little bitty minor scratches or nicks or anything over this bike's 15-year lifespan. It is solely due to the fact of, I simply think that it is time for another bike. I have basically learned every single thing about motorcycle riding on this bike. I don't feel like an emotional connection to this bike. I don't feel a connection to this motorcycle like I think that I should. I love this bike. It's treated me incredible. It's given me no issues at all since I've owned it. I think it is time for another chapter to be closed and another to be opened in my motorcycle life. I don't know what I'm looking for yet. I guess time will tell. I do want to stick in the sport bike realm though. I'm looking to still hunch over with my young body while I got it. So my people, my subscribers, my people that watch my videos, or maybe if you're new to this video, let me know in the comments what you think I should get and why. I must move on. It's not you, baby. It's me. And things must change. So we must grow. Hey look, McDonald's. Look how gorgeous this is.